passed through the lookout areas and now towards the falls, but look at these beautiful xantharias behind me and in front of me, which obviously you can't see. But yeah, this is a very beautiful section of walk, absolutely gorgeous, and you can kind of see the mountains in the distance. We're kind of high elevation up, and yeah, it's just great. Here's some native ginger. Been seeing it all along this section. Here's some more. I have absolutely no idea actually if that's edible. Like obviously the ginger bit. Check out this. So this is some ginger. These almost perfect semicircles. I don't know if it's a leaf cutter bee or some other kind of critter, but look at it. So I was walking along and I saw this on the ground, which is a bunya. And I was like, I don't see any bunyas. Where are the bunyas? Where are the bunyas? And I found them. And they're like hidden. And their branches up top are so high up. Their branches are above all the other trees. So that's why I couldn't see them. But yeah, I can clearly see the tree trunks. That's one there. And then there's a second one there. There's probably more I'm missing as well. But how cool, I didn't even know there were bunya pines in here. This is as far as I am going today. Reach this beautiful viewpoint of Obi Obi Creek. And yeah, so I'm going to make my way back the way I came. I really wish I'd brought lunch. This would be a great spot to have a little snack. Unfortunately, I've already eaten my snacks, so I'm going to have to wait until I get back to civilization to have lunch, but that's on me. Beautiful. Ooh, oh, it's like jelly. Oh my God.